So my name is Marcus Muniz. I've lost a total of 140 pounds. I had the sleeve surgery in April 24th, 2017. I started seeing Dr. Shawn in January of 2017. I got a consultation with him with some reluctance. I was actually against weight loss surgery. A friend of mine was going for the surgery, and they asked me if I ever considered weight loss surgery. And honestly, I was totally against it. I felt that it was an easy way out. I felt it was a lazy way out. A couple of weeks after that conversation with my friend, I just kept bringing in my mind that, why not consider weight loss surgery? My highest weight at that time was 330 pounds, and I just couldn't get this question out of my mind. So I decided to do some research on the internet, and I started looking for the weight loss surgery, and the first things that came up was it's not the easy way out, it's not the lazy way out. Most people who go for weight loss surgery usually work a lot harder than someone who tries to do it normally. So I said, okay, let me start doing some more research. So with a recommendation of another doctor I was seeing at the time, they recommended Dr. Shawn. I came in, saw him, and he actually took his time. I was in the office for about 2 hours, and he explained all the different aspects of the weight loss surgery, the pros and cons. I think I came in here with like a 3-page report of all kinds of questions to ask him. And even though he had different patients to see at the time, he would pause and still take the time to answer all the questions that I had for him. And he walked me through the process, told me exactly what I had to do. I had to see different types of doctors and get screened and get approved for the surgery. At that time, I had high blood pressure, I had high cholesterol, sleep apnea was a big problem that I had at the time also. So I had all these underlying issues that could get better after going for the weight loss surgery. Dr. Shawn was explaining all these things to me. So I walked out of that office that day with an actual surgery date of April 24th. And I had to stop in the hallway after I walked out of the office because I was in shock. I couldn't believe, am I actually doing this? I couldn't believe I was actually doing this. So he set me up with a seminar that I had to see of his, explaining more information. I had to go through the learning process of how to eat, how to shop, what types of things that I had to be focusing on when it came to protein. I saw the nutritionist, Lori. She helped me out tremendously, taught me how to eat, put me on a pretty decent diet before the surgery. I ended up losing 20 pounds before the actual surgery. 4 months go by, I go through all the tests. April 24th, I go in for my surgery itself, and it was just a life changer. The first day of the surgery was a little scary. I did have some complications. I ended up staying in the hospital for two nights versus 1. But the doctor's knowledge and his wisdom got me through it, explained everything to me. Dr. Shawn's staff was very supportive in everything I was doing. Going home after that, weeks to follow, I followed the plan that they gave me, and I did everything they were supposed to do for me, that they told me to do. And as long as I followed the rules, success came. I want to say 3 weeks after the surgery, I was actually in the gym. I joined the bariatric program they had at the hospital, and that was a start to my success. I had personalized training. They showed me how to exercise and how to do the exercises correctly, and kind of give myself a plan on how to get myself into shape. Now, before the weight loss surgery, I was a couch potato, I was lazy, I never would even imagine going to a gym, and now I'm going to a gym like 3 days a week. As long as I followed the plan and did what I was supposed to do and eat the right way, success came. The pounds just kept shedding. I just continued to follow what they told me to do. Here I am a year later, and I'm down 140 pounds. I'm looking good. I just went clothes shopping yesterday, getting ready for the summer. That's going to be something I'm really looking forward to. It's just been a really fun journey that I've been on. Has it been difficult? Yes, it has. Has it been hard work? Yes, it has. But the physical changes and the success that I'm seeing is really worth it. Is it the lazy way out? No, it's not. I think I worked the hardest I've ever worked in my entire life. But with the effects and everything that I'm experiencing is really what's driving me. I just want more. I want to see where this journey is going to continue to take me. And I thank Dr. Shawn and his staff for helping me through everything I've been a part of. And I highly recommend everyone who sees this video that, this is best decision that I've ever made. I recommend it to anybody who's struggling with obesity, and this is a great decision that I've made that I would never regret.